Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see how to make the product view in our Django Ecommerce. So previously we had fetched the products by their categories. So when you click on fashion, you get to see all the products under the fashion category. So now we'll click on this product and we want to view this product. So along with the description and add to cart button and everything. So let us start with that designing. So first we will start with creating the URL for that. So here add a path, say collections slash a string of category slug slash outside this angle bracket just put the slash and string of product slug and add a comma over here, views dot product view. So we'll create a function with this thing and give a name to this slug, product view. So go to your views file and create a function, product view. In this we need to pass the request, the category slug and the product slug. So these two things we are getting it from the URL. So whatever you are mentioning over here, make sure that same thing you have passed in the function. So here first we will be checking if the category slug exists or not. So just say category dot objects dot filter where the slug is equal to the category slug and the status of that category is equal to 0. So if this is true, we will search for the product. Else, here we are going to say messages dot error. Pass the request first and then the message. Say no such category found. Or you can give a standard message over here telling that something went wrong. After this, you're going to say return, redirect to the collections. Just copy it from here. If the category is found, then we are going to search for the product. So just copy the same thing and paste it inside this if condition and make the indent proper. Just change this model name to product and this we will be matching to the product slug and status should be 0. So if the product is not found, it will go to the else part and here we are going to say no such product found, return back to collections. Yeah. If the product is found, we are going to store the product data inside our product variable. And we say products equal to, just copy it from here itself, copy and paste dot first, and then we're going to say context equal to copy and paste, save. So if this category is found, then it is going to check if the product is found or not, and if the product is found, then we are going to fetch the product details and store it in the products variable, and then we are putting the data inside this context, and now we need to pass that to the HTML template. So after this if else, we need to write return render, and inside this first we need to pass the request and then your template. So it's going to be inside store slash products slash view dot html, and here just pass your context. So inside our products folder, we already have an index.html. We need to create the view.html page. Say view.html So now let us go to this view.html and we will just copy this layout, copy, and we'll just paste it inside this view.html. So this data I'll just remove it from here, and here we have this home collections, and we'll have the category name over here as well as the product name. So we will just see that. We have passed the products, right? So just copy that and paste it over here. Products, products dot category dot name, and the same thing over here. Products dot category dot slug, and here we'll have it product slug. For this, I think we need to change it. So we need to give product view, and we need to pass two arguments here. Say product view with the category slug and the product slug. Save, and here we will be echoing the product's name, and let us call this in the index.html. So here, so once we click on the product, we should get that view. So here you're going to say URL of product view, just copy it from here, and in index.html paste that and pass your parameters. So that is the item dot category dot slug and your item dot slug. Save, and let us refresh and check the output. Just open, so you can see we have got that thing over here. We need to add a slash over here. Let me just do that. So here slash refresh. Yeah, so now here we need to design. So I'll just complete this design and I'll explain you the code. So I have completed with the design, so I'll just explain you the code. Let's zoom in, and yeah, so this is basic card and card body. So inside this column MD4 we have given if products dot tag. So if there is tag for this product, it will be visible. So let me just show you in the output. So this thing you can see, right? So if there is something in this, it will be visible over here, else it will be empty. And the next thing we have is, so I have just added a class over here, and in our main file, so in the layouts, I'll just put it over here, and then we have displayed the product name. You can see it over here, and then the trending thing. So if the product is set to trending, this thing will be visible. And then we have the original price and selling price. So this thing was in float, right? So it shows 0.0. So I've just removed that thing using the string format. So now it will just show you the round off value. And the next thing we have is the small description. And then here we have used an if condition. If products quantity is greater than 0, then we are going to show this in stock, else it is going to show out of stock. So that is over here, you can see. And then we have this quantity. So this thing you can get it from getbootstrap.com, and you can see it over here. So this design, we'll be making this in the next video when we are going to add to cart. So that time we are going to use this. And then we have the products dot quantity is greater than 0, then we are going to show add to cart button. So if the quantity is less than or equal to 0, so we are not going to show the add to cart button, and this add to wish list button will still be visible. So if the quantity is less than or equal to 0 or whatever, the add to wish list button will be still visible. And then we have this description, and yeah, so here is our final output. So go back and let's see for the other products. So let us add the font awesome, so you can show the cart symbol over here and the wishlist symbol over here. So I'll go to the main template, and here I'll just paste this CDN link. So this link I'll put it in the description, you can get it from there. And here I have already used that, so you can just use I tag and give the class of font awesome. So FA shopping cart and a heart symbol over here. Just reload the page and you can see it's over here. You can just increase or decrease the size if you require using CSS. Let us include a Google font over here. So this font doesn't look that good. So just search for Google fonts and open the first link. So we will be taking the, let's take Roboto. I'm going to go with the regular 400. Select the style and just copy this link, and in your main.html just paste it over here, save, and here you have CSS. Just copy that and paste it over here. Just put asterisk so it applies for all, and paste it over here, save. Now let us just refresh our website and check. So if you just noticed, you can see this font has been changed. So not only this font, all over this nav bar and this nav items, everything has changed. So now it looks good. Yes. So that's it in this video, guys. We have seen how to show the product view in our Django e-commerce. So in the next video, we will be seeing how to make this increment and decrement button using jQuery, and we will be making the add to cart in the next video. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again.